Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2007 Case 440 with 3,251 hours. This skid steer has 82 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and is equipped with high-flow hydraulics and front and rear auxiliary hydraulics. The lifting arm has a 2,200-pound capacity and a 72-inch bucket. The enclosed cab features heating and case pilot controls. If you're interested in this Case 440 and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.